He started working as a cleaner at the age of 16. When he was 21 years old, he lost his father. So, to take up the family responsibility. Hello, friends, welcome back to Signature Turned Autograph. I am Aaron Dias, founder and CEO of Signature Turned Autograph, MC by hobby and student by profession. So, let's start with today's video. This story is about that person who started his career as a cleaner of the bus and now acts in the South Indian film industry. Yes, he is no other than actor, director, writer, singer Romeo Dcosta. Romeo was born on 24th October 1986 to Joki and Sheila Dcosta in Mumbai. He did his studies till 8th standard at St. Teresa's High School, Kandolin. Due to lack of interest in studies, he started working as a cleaner at the age of 16. When he was 21 years old, he lost his father. So, to take up the family responsibility, he started working as a driver. With time, he started driving between interstate routes, that is Goa, Bombay, Pune, and so on. Romeo had drinking habit, and one such day, when he was sitting in a bar, he met a poder, a Goan baker. The baker told him that he is a theatre writer and showed him the scripts and stories written by him. Seeing this, Romeo developed an interest in writing and started writing theatres. It took him almost 1 year to develop the skill of writing. Then, in 2015, he came up with his first theatre, Swachh Bharat, written and directed by him. Soon he started composing songs for his YouTube channel. Here is a small clip from his song Konyache Farik Pon, which has crossed more than 70,000 views on YouTube.
Matalona moja geli Atirik sigirik sairik moja Soriachi batli asli.
In 2016, his friend Salim introduced him to Tina Martins, who is a casting director, and he got a chance to act as a junior artist in the web series 0 Kilometer. Till now, he has worked as a junior artist in 2 Telugu movies and 2 Kannada movies. As on date, he has written 3 theatres, Swachh Bharat, GST, Da Manamen, and he would like to thank Satyago Lobo for producing his theatres. Romeo is also a member of Screenwriters Association and now officially writes scripts and stories. Currently, Romeo is working on a short Hindi film and he wishes one day to write and direct a Konkani film. So this was the story of Romeo Dcosta. You can check out my other videos like the story of Dominic D'Souza, first Goan HIV patient, current CM of Goa Dr. Pramod Sawant, and so on. Do you know anyone who has worked hard to achieve success? Or who is working for the betterment of society? Or do you have any love story to share like Nitesh Prajapat and Dimple Palmer? Or would you like to say thank you to your closed ones for all their efforts? Then you are free to contact us. म्हणटोच थोकन आसतना बरें तें करुया, कित्याक बरें कोच्चें सोडून दिना जाल्यार ताचें पीक वेळ पावतोच आमकां मेळटलें. देव बरें करूं. त्रास लागले आसतले.
त्रास अजूनपासून करता हांव.
October 1986 to Joki and Stella. Romeo was born on 24th October 1986 to Joki and Sheila Montero.